This video will show an example of how agents in PANGEA communicate in order to decide which film to watch. These agents will ask a film agent about films that are currently showing in Spain. The agent will provide a response along with a film review. Each of the agents will select two possible films and will then agree and decide on which film to watch according to the number of selections and the best review. The example includes two projects that can be downloaded from the PANGEA Platform website. In this case, we have already downloaded them onto the desktop. There are two zip files that must be unzipped. We'll now open the NetBeans editor. From the menu, select File and Open Project. Start up the platform if it isn't already open. Now open the project. First, deploy Cinema Control Agent, which will introduce an agent named Cinema Agent into the platform. Cinema Agent will be in charge of providing the film reviews and the list of films currently showing. Using the monitoring tool, we can see the Cinema Agent in the organization called Cinema. Now we're going to look at the commands that we can send it. Using the IRC client, we send a help command and the agent displays the commands that it accepts. For example, after receiving a Get Movies command, the Cinema Agent will connect to the film server and return a list of films. We'll now focus on the Cinema Client project, which introduces 5 agents. Each agent will ask the Cinema Agent for a list of films that are currently showing. Each randomly selects 2 films and informs the other agents. Once all of them know which films have been selected by the others, they decide which film has been selected most times. In case of a tie, the film with the best review is selected. When the project has been executed, we can see how the 5 agents enter the platform and begin to communicate. If we select XChat, we can see the flow of messages that is taking place. Through NetBeans, we can confirm that a decision has been made and that they have all finally selected the same film. We use the IRC client to see how each agent makes a request to the Cinema Agent and how the Cinema Agent then sends back a list of films to each agent. Once a decision is made, they inform the other agents of the decision by writing in the Cinema organization. For example, Cinema 1 indicates that it has selected the films Despicable Me and Midnight's Children. The screen shows the Spanish titles Gru 2, Mi Villano Favorito, and Hijos de la Medianoche. All the agents do the same thing to indicate the films they have selected, and once everybody has the information, they make a decision.